everyone, welcome back to Jenny Island Vibe. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Guys, I am super excited. Today, I am going to show you how I make Bahamian Conch. That's right. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. And those are the ingredients I will be using for today's recipe. As you can see here, I have conch really clean and ready to go. Complete seasoning, goya adobo, salt, milk, lime for garnishing, flour, and egg, guys. Thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place the conch inside the Ziploc bag. I'm also going to use the beater to tenderize the conch. Just like that. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. After tenderize the conch, you can cut it or you can leave it as is. So remember to check the description box below for all ingredients that I use for today's recipe. Then I'm going to add milk, eggs, seasonings, and combines everything together. I'm going to let it marinate for 30 minutes, but if you want to, you can let it marinate for overnight. I'm super hungry, so I'm in a rush, guys. While the conch is marinated, I'm going to seasoning the flour. I'm using the same seasoning, and make sure you don't want to use too much seasoning because you don't want your conch to be over seasoning. Okay? We almost there. Your belly's gonna be full. Next thing, I'm going to shake it nicely and then add it in the flour. Now I'm going to add some oil. I am using vegetable oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. After the oil is hot, make sure guys you reduce the heat and pay a lot of attention when frying the conch because you don't want your conch to be burned. Okay? You want it to be nice and crispy and golden brown. And ladies and gent, there you have it. Bahamian crack conch. Thank you for your precious time. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'll see you next time on Jenny Island Vibes.